People always said you could do anything if you clear your mind to it, and I know that's the dumbest, statement ever, but it's true. Salehe Barista has established himself as one of the top designers in footwear over the past several years. The most important idea I've ever had is to be myself. I would say my advantage is versatility. I think with that versatility, I can attack design projects with a perspective that many can. Whether you're seeking his footwear in every NBA tunnel or one you on the vacation rotation, your favorite celebrity, one thing is clear, you just haven't started. Off. Okay. Start with an energy creator for a second. Oh, this is good, yeah. When I say poo, you say ma. Poo, ma, poo, ma. Thank you. Yes. Can I start with an energy creator for a second? Oh, this is good, yeah. When I say poo, so going back to the fact that I've been a lifelong fan of basketball, a lifelong lover of footwear, I have noticed that the basketball landscape has remained the same for the past 30 years. And what a lot of brands fail to realize is that what is necessary for, shaking up that space is change and evolution, and I really haven't seen any other brand embrace change and growth like Puma's. Just to hear you say that you guys didn't exist in basketball 5 years ago, I think really represents that. And so coming from a background in industrial design that's all about innovation and creating newness, I thought it was important to partner.
Yo, what it do? It's your boy Al Woo with the shoe, and another banger is coming for y'all right now. Y'all see the wall of fame? This is the game. So, in order to keep this family growing, I need you to hit that subscribe button. That's right, today we're gonna jump right into the review. Now, we're looking at something that is beautiful. We have the Puma new collaboration with Salehe. He is a new and proven shoe designer who's taken his street brand and his vision for the new contemporary shoe. That's right. This man said for 30 years he's been working and grinding to put himself and his designs and his art in a position to be able to work with a big shoe company. Now, in my last couple videos ago, I asked, if you can get a shoe endorsement, which one would you take? Now, he has a shoe collaboration with Puma. That means that more than likely he is a creative director or he has a collab deal 50-50 split. And he gets access to everything Puma. Look at those. Those designs he have is a proven track record. Man, your boy Al Woo with the shoe is going to get his shoe out there. Trust me. I'm going to be right behind Mr. Salehe. That's right, man. It's been a long time vision of his to make his streetwear come to life. Look at those designs and cuts on those particular Pumas. Now, if you were to get a shoe deal, once again, would you want to be a creative director? Would you want to be a brand ambassador? Would you want a co-op collaboration deal? Or would you want to go with the subsidiary brand under the bigger brand banner? And I think Under Armour is a great growing company. Anta just signed the 3vs3 Team USA basketball team. So these smaller companies are starting to make bigger impacts and bigger waves. So I'm definitely going to say I'm going for both. Any of them. Your boy Al Woo is going to continue to bring you the shoe content. So on your way out, give me a like and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget. Stay tuned to the latest and greatest shoe content. It's your boy Al Woo with the shoe. You know what to do, y'all. Peace. Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them. All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. Telling y'all, tap in, and we're gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe. Al Wu with the shoe.